Here we go, that's my man!
Thank you very much, love 5,000 long band and parking Levi's I leave it to the winner, thank you.
Thank you, my friend, thank you!
Thank you, huh?
Yeah, and it's going to be rain. Just arrived to Erika Warung and it's rain. Oh no, well, let's see what's gonna be happen. Hello. Yo, apa kabar? How are you? Yo, morning.
Good morning.
Morning, hello. Oh, it's rainy. Rainy.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Oh, Erika, how are you today?
Good, and you?
Why it's rainy today?
Huh?
Why it's raining today?
They not call the god.
Yeah. That's good. But all is good, yeah? All is good, yeah?
Bahagia selalu.
Yeah.
Halo, masuk YouTube kamu nanti halo benar loh, cek nanti di dia.
Yeah.
Oh ya. Iya, cari Mr. Monkey and Miss Monkey.
Yes. Hello. Hello world. I'm Damian from the Monkeys, and it's another day from the Bali Paradise Island of Bali in Indonesia. As you saw, beautiful vibes. Unfortunately, it's going to be rainy this afternoon. I wanted to fly drone, show you around, but seems like no flying today. Anyway, it's Sunday afternoon. It's going to be some people around, and I would like to say cheers, guys. There at the front is Seminyak and 66 beach, and here is the Legian Padma. For everyone who are not familiar, the Padma Hotel is just over there, and over there is the Kuta and Legian, and it's definitely much more quiet than the other side of the beach, which is Seminyak. Also some surfers. Unfortunately, seems like it's gonna be huge rain just in few minutes over there, and still kids playing the kites here. So a little bit of the local life. Hello. And the kids gonna fly the kite. Check this out. How big is this kite? Everybody are happy. Yo, what's up, my friend? Hello. Yo. That's the Legian kids. The kites are, some of these kites are huge. Look at this. And yeah, but the weather is going to be really bad. Hello. So what's going on? Woo. I don't know if you can hear, but it's going to be a really thunderstorm. I think there is the Kite Festival over there, but the weather is so bad, I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Many people over there. It's going to be really rainy and will be very bad weather very soon. So I think I cannot make 66 today. I'm gonna hit this direction because over there behind me some festival of kites or something, so many local people. Really wanna show you, but till that time enjoy a little bit of the shots from the beach walk area in Kuta, because I was passing the road and I also filmed there. So enjoy and see you there. 1 minute. It's Sunday afternoon in Kuta, and seems like it's quite busy today. I guess, well, I'm not guess, I'm pretty sure local people like here I go making pictures next to the Hard Rock. It's quite bad weather today. I mean, cloudy, as I said already previously, the rain season already started, but Sunday afternoon, and there is some life in Kuta. That's so happy to see that, but still quite very far to be very trafficked and very busy, but yeah, at least something. And here some ladies next to the Kuta bags waiting for potential customers. Welcome to Poppy Swan. People park cars now next to the beach on the main street when they put the walls. People scanning their entrance up, and little bit of life and traffic life on the main gate to Beachwalk Mall. Mostly local people here, not many foreigners around, and I think this is the pickup service. There is really some big festival of the kites, and some of the people have a huge kites here. This is the event for local people. I mean, I don't know if any foreigners play kites in Bali, but the locals, they really love it, and it's quite very busy here. I think they have some prizes from the local banjar. Look at this boy, he's working hard to take it down. They took it down. It's quite many people. Anyway, this is the beach. Wavy, quite wavy. Quite many local people around. Looks pretty cool. And it's going to be rain again. I think I have to come back. Going back. They have some tournament. Probably they're gonna win something. I have a shoe because I'm going to Tabanan after that. So don't really wanna get wet. I need to come back. Anyway, there is the new video from CNN channel news or YouTuber. I don't know. They are kinda news YouTubers about this Bali is reopened, but no tourists coming. And well, that's actually pretty accurate news because that's true, and not really, because Bali is not open like tourist visa on arrival and is quarantine. So I explained already many times, but if you somehow miss this, if you wanna come to Bali, you can, or come to Indonesia. Basically, you need to go to Jakarta, apply for the visa before you're gonna fly anywhere, make a 5 days quarantine, and then you can come to Bali. And currently even the Bali is open for the 19 countries, but no airline is flying to Bali yet. Maybe next month, maybe, I hope so, but currently not. And also Jakarta is cheaper to quarantine than Bali anyway, so you have to consider all of this. Also, I forgot to mention, somebody asked, yes, you have to still wear a mask on the beach, how I'm doing now. And well, not many foreigners in the Legian, not many foreigners in anywhere. Right now, nothing has changed except this guy with his partner. I didn't saw anyone from the Bule except me. 2 months left to the end of the year. I hope so 2022 will be much better than this one. Let's talk a little bit about the changes. I'm getting sometimes comments, bad comments regarding myself, me or Winnie, about many things. That's normal thing for me and I don't really mind. But sad thing is for me, sometimes some people who are bad to me, they also bad to you guys. And that's the one of the reason why many of you stop commenting under my video, because whenever you comment, somebody will comment something else. And usually that's the rude comments and you getting offended. If somebody comment like this to me, because I'm the creator and public person, and I don't really care, I don't give a damn about that, but many of you getting offended and stop commenting. I do some research, and if you have any complaints about something, someone, just let me know privately or comment, mention me on YouTube or Instagram and send me the email, and I will do the clearance with the people like this, simply just because I can, I have rights to. So don't be afraid to comment whatever you feel, whatever you think is best for you, because I'm here for you and I'm doing this, all the videos I'm doing for you guys. I will do still videos if you're not gonna watch it. If I'm gonna have 10 subscribers, I will still make it, but whatever you watching, commenting, liking, that's the huge motivation to making more and more content every single day. So I really appreciate, and don't be afraid, guys. There will be definitely no sunset today, and I'm afraid there's gonna be huge rain soon, because I can see already rain over there. So no flying today, but I can come back next week or anytime, so don't worry about that. Also, flying drone where is the thunderstorm weather like this is super risky, because wind can take it, drones are not waterproof, and also if will be the thunder and gonna hit the drone, that's game over, so better not. Also in Tabanan was like this today, very rainy all day long, so I have to go soon. See you next time, Erika, yeah?
Okay.
Bye! Somebody have a here very nice Vespa, I like it. And it's going to be very heavy rain very soon, and I have still 1 hour to go to Tabanan, because Winnie is in Tabanan today praying. I need to pick her up, and I will see you tomorrow as always. See ya, take care.